Hi friends, welcome to Ahilu Arts channel. I am Uma. In this video we are going to see a very simple but beautiful stitch, Elizabeth stitch. Okay, I thought we have done this years ago, but somehow I missed it in our how to playlist. But today we are going to learn this simple stitch. I personally like this stitch because it will give you the texture of puff stitch and bubble stitch, but it will eat very less yarn compared to those stitches. Okay, so it will be very good. It is a beginner stitch. You can learn this, you can do this once you learn single crochet and half double crochet. You don't even have to learn double crochet to do this stitch. Okay, so let us start doing this. For any how-to video, we have a separate playlist for how to stitches which we learn many different crochet stitches. So for anything we will usually do odd number of stitches so that we will maintain the border in first and last stitch, and we'll do the pattern in the middle. Okay, so for that I am doing 15 stitches now. So I will, for having 15 stitches, I will be doing 16 chains, right? So because for the foundation, for the starting row, we will have single crochet. So I'm doing 16 chains. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 stitches I have to have. So I'm doing 1 chain extra, and turn your chain and work in the back bump to have the perfect border. Okay, so I'm doing single crochet in the back bump of each chain, in which I'll be having 15 stitches. Okay, this stitch will give you a look and feel of a 3D texture, so you can use this for making fingerless gloves or headbands, ear warmers. You can do dishcloths if with cotton yarn if you want. It will be long lasting one. Okay, that is this. You can do blankets also with blanket yarn, so it will be much less work, but you have a beautiful 3D texture blanket so soon. So let's do this easy stitch. Okay, I'm just doing single crochet. Hope everyone knows that. Insert, pull up, yarn over, pull through, right? So insert, pull up, yarn over, pull through, insert, pull up, yarn over, pull through. So since we have worked only in the back bump of the foundation chain, you see we can see the V's on bottom of the chain like the top of the stitches too. You see, that is why we will always work on the back bump of foundation chain for any projects. Okay, so now chain 1. Now we will work the first and last stitch as a border. So I'm doing half double crochet. Half double crochet, how we'll do: yarn over, insert, pull up, yarn over, pull through, 2. Okay, so now we are going to combine this single crochet and half double crochet together to make the Elizabeth stitch. How we are going to do is, okay, chain 1, because we always skip the even number of stitches. Okay, so half double crochet, chain 1, and in the third stitch, listen carefully, this is a simple pattern. For single crochet, what we'll do: insert, pull up, yarn over, pull through. For single crochet, the hook will have 2 loops, right? For half double crochet, what we'll do: yarn over, insert, pull through. So the hook will have 3 loops. So now we are going to combine the single crochet as well as the half double crochet. So insert, pull up, which is single crochet, then yarn over, insert, pull up. So we'll have 4 loops in the hook. That's it. I'll do one more time. First, insert, pull up, and yarn over, insert, pull up. So we have 4 loops in the hook. So after you have 4 loops, yarn over, pull through all the 4. That's it. This is the Elizabeth stitch. Very simple, right? So chain 1, completes the stitch. Okay, we have to secure the stitch, right? So now skip the next stitch, and in the next stitch just insert, pull up like single crochet, and yarn over, insert, pull up like half double crochet, and yarn over, pull through all the 4 loops, chain 1. Okay, so this is what we are going to do. Insert, pull up, yarn over, insert, pull up, and pull through all the 4, chain 1, insert, pull up, yarn over, insert, pull up, 4 loops in the hook, pull through all the 4, chain 1. So insert, pull up, yarn over, insert, pull up, 4 loops in the hook, yarn over, pull through all the 4, chain 1. Now insert, pull up, yarn over, insert, pull up, yarn over, pull through all the 4, chain 1. Now we have 2 stitches, one to skip and one to complete the border stitch, which is nothing but half double crochet. Okay, you can do the Elizabeth stitch in here also, but we couldn't do the chain 1 after this, right? So that is why, in order to secure the border, we are not doing Elizabeth stitch, but we are doing half double crochet in the first stitch and the last stitch. Okay, so now if you see here, you can see the texture on how it sits in the each stitch. The loop what we are making is giving you the great texture. Okay, so now chain 1, turn your work, first stitch is nothing but half double crochet, then chain 1. You can see a big gap in the Elizabeth stitch. Okay, that gap is where we are going to do the second round. So insert, pull up, yarn over, insert, pull up. Now pull through all the 4, chain 1. So since we are working on all the rows, one side, the right side of the previous row will become the wrong side of the next row, right? So the both sides will be identical, both will be, there is no right side or wrong side, both will be identical. So it will be a great look and feel to do this stitch. Okay, what we are doing, insert, pull up just like single crochet, yarn over, insert, pull up just like half double crochet, and yarn over, pull through all the 4. So in the last stitch, you don't even have to think, because you see the gap, and that is where you know you have to do the stitch. And in the last stitch, as usual, half double crochet to secure the border, just like how we have done the single crochet in the first border. You see how it looks, right? It is giving a great feel, and if you use softer yarn, it will be just like so comfort to feel. Okay, you see this is the wrong side of this row, and this becomes the wrong side of this row, so both sides look identical. So we'll do one more row, chain 1, half double crochet, now chain 1, Elizabeth stitch, sorry, insert, pull up, yarn over, insert, pull up. That's it, right? As I said, it's very beginner stitch. You can do multiple projects. We'll definitely do some projects, at least the ear warmer with this stitch, which is so comfortable, in the following videos. See, chain 1, insert, pull up, yarn over, insert, pull up, chain 1, insert, pull up, yarn over, insert, pull up, pull through, chain 1, and in the last stitch we'll do half double crochet. You see how it sits in each stitch. It's like a braided texture. I personally like this stitch very much, so hope you also like this. Please do this, please try this out, and let me know how you feel. And if you do anything with the project or any crochet items what you are following in our pattern, you can always share it with our Facebook group at Ahilo Arts, and you can tag it to Instagram at Ahilo Arts, and share your work and inspire many of us to with your work. Okay, but more importantly, please help us to grow and keep the channel active. So subscribe to the channel, share it with your friends, comment your suggestions, and hit the bell icon so that you never miss any video. Thank you. Bye.